Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to view shared folders on Windows Server. As IT administrators, knowing the shared folders on your network is essential for troubleshooting permissions, checking what users can access, and keeping your server organized and secure. This way, you'll be able to quickly take inventory of shares and verify share intents and permissions. So, I'll show you 3 different ways to list shared folders on Windows Server. The first method is through computer management and is used when you want a quick visual inventory. Open Server Manager, then click the Tools menu in the upper right corner, then click Computer Management. Then from the left panel of the Computer Management window, under the System Tools section, expand Shared Folders. Then click Shares to view all shared folders on your server. On the other side, you will see a clear table that displays the share name and the folder path, which is the actual path to the file system. From here, you can see the number of shared folders, sessions, and open files. We also have another method through which you can view a list of shared folders through the PowerShell window. This method is also very quick and easy, as we'll use just one command to view the shared folders on the server. Enter the command that appears on the screen, Get-SmbShare, which is a PowerShell commandlet that retrieves a list of all SMB server message block shares on your server. Once you execute the command, it will display the shared folders and each folder with its path. This method is fast, produces organized results, and is ideal if you're working in PowerShell or automating server tasks. There's also another way to view shared folders through the command prompt window. This method is also fast, and I use just one command. Next, enter the command that appears on the screen, netshare. This is a simple and widely available command that lists local shares. Use it to perform quick scans on the server itself. It displays the share name and the resource path, the actual location of the folder. It is particularly useful for performing quick scans without the need for additional tools. Now you have 3 different ways to quickly and easily view shared folders on Windows Server. If you found this video helpful, please like it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Windows Server tutorials and IT tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.